Yeah, an elderly lady has fallen and her leg is bleeding a lot.
Don't panic. There is an emergency bleed kit nearby. It will help you control the bleed until paramedics arrive.
Bleed map has arrived. It takes just a couple of minutes to register your bleed kit. View the map to become familiar with bleed kits local to where you live, work and spend leisure time. But remember, you must always dial 999 first in any medical emergency. Bleed map sends data to the emergency services.
The bleed kit is in a cabinet outside the primary school and I'll give you the code.
We're just getting the trauma dressing on now.
Be registered, be informed, but always call 999 in an emergency.